Climate change is something that affects all of our lives, whether we're a student, teacher, or a scientist. But what is climate change and what exactly is causing it? According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, climate change is a long-term shift in the statistics of the weather. Since the 1960s, global warming has been occurring much more rapidly due to the actions of humans. The 10 hottest years on record have all occurred since 1990. This is happening due to a process known as the greenhouse effect.
The atmospheric greenhouse effect naturally keeps our planet warm enough to be livable. Sunlight passes through the atmosphere. Light-colored surfaces, such as clouds or ice caps, radiate some heat back into space, but most of the incoming heat warms the planet's surface. The Earth then radiates some heat back into the atmosphere. Some of the heat is trapped by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, including carbon dioxide, CO2. Human activity, such as burning fossil fuels, causes more greenhouse gases to build up in the atmosphere. Fossil fuels, such as oil, coal, and natural gas, are high in carbon and, when burned, produce major amounts of carbon dioxide or CO2. As the atmosphere thickens with more greenhouse gases, more heat is held in. To put things in perspective, according to the National Wildlife Federation, a single gallon of gasoline, when burned, puts 19 pounds of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Imagine how many gallons of gasoline are burned daily from the billions of humans globally.
According to the Natural Resources Defense Council, coal-burning power plants are the largest U.S. source of carbon dioxide pollution. They produce 2.5 billion tons every year. Cars are the second largest source. But besides power plants and cars, there are many other actions of humans that contribute to global warming, such as the burning of fossil fuels to heat our homes, cutting down and burning of forests, and the farming of cattle. Cows produce methane, which in turn transforms into greenhouse gases. Global warming is a complex phenomenon, and its full-scale impacts are hard to predict far in advance. But each year, scientists learn more about how global warming is affecting the planet, and many agree that certain consequences are likely to occur if current trends continue. Some examples are melting glaciers, droughts, rising sea levels, more intense hurricanes, and disruption of habitats such as coral reefs.
However, we can help prevent this if we all work together. There's still time left for us to save our world. Solar panels, wind farms, and turbines can be used to produce renewable energy. The Natural Resources Defense Council says we could also help to mitigate global warming if we use more efficient appliances and equipment in our homes and offices to reduce our electricity needs. You and your family could help to reduce the amount of waste you produce by being more resourceful in the things that you buy. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration shares that each time you choose a compact fluorescent light bulb over an incandescent light bulb, for example, you'll lower your energy bill and keep nearly 700 pounds of carbon dioxide out of the air over the bulb's lifetime. Instead of driving to school and work, ride a bike and help combat deforestation by planting trees in your yard and local parks. It is not too late to make a change. Person by person, family by family, community by community, we can create a better future.
Together we can change the world.
Juntos podemos cambiar el mundo.